in 3 minutes. The 7:10 City Loop, stopping all stations to Flinders Street except South Kensington, departing in 26 minutes. The 7:30 City Loop, stopping all stations to Flinders Street except South Kensington, departing in 47 minutes. Services departing Footscray, Platform 3 are the 6:50 Southern Cross, departing Platform 3, not taking suburban customers. And always remember to touch on your liking at the start of your journey.
Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next level crossing train video. Bye.